Ukulele lesson for beginners number 9, exercises. In this lesson, I'm going to give you a few exercises that you can play to improve your technique. One of the most important things is that you have a strap for your ukulele. If you don't have that, you're going to be holding your ukulele up, and that's just not really good for your technique. It's going to really limit your range of motion and what you can do. So make sure you go find a roll of duct tape and get this going. So I recommend using a guitar pick for these exercises. It's really limiting to only be able to use your thumb to pick or your fingers. The first exercise, and probably the most useful and common one, is called the spider exercise or chromatic scale. It sounds like this. The purpose of this exercise is to practice using all of our fingers on different frets on the ukulele. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the top string and we're going to play these frets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you want to use each of your 4 fingers like this. Pointer, middle, ring, pinky. After you play the top string, just go down a string and do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then go down a string. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go down another string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now your fingers might be flying all over the place, okay? So go slow and try to stay as relaxed as possible because you're trying to train the muscles in your fingers. Because if you try to practice quickly and your fingers are moving like this, that's what you're going to master. You're going to develop this habit of moving your fingers away really far from the strings, and then you'll have to fix that later. Once you get down to the bottom string and you go through that, you can proceed back up like this. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go up. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here's version 2 of this same exercise. Instead of pushing each finger down individually like this, you're going to keep your fingers down as you go. So if I do the top string, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to hold down the previous finger each time I go to the next note. So I'm going to go down a string now. I'm going to do the same thing, holding down each finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when I come back up, I'm going to press them all down first and lift them up one by one. That's a little more difficult. The next exercise is called the airplane, and it sounds like this. What you do is you play a fretted note on the bottom string, and then you play the string open 3 times. So we're going to start on 2 like this. 2, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0 means open, 2 means the 2nd fret. So 2, 0, 0, 0. Now we're going to go to the 4th fret. 4, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0, 0, 7, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0, 0, 0, 11, 0, 0, 0, 12, 0, 0, 0. You can also do something called alternate picking, where each time you play the string, you switch directions with the pick. So you'd go down, up, 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 down, up. I like touching my pinky to the body of the ukulele down here for stability. And when you hold the pick, make sure that the pointy part is pointing at the ukulele. I like to hold the pick between my pointer finger and thumb like this. Sometimes I'll hold it with my pointer, middle, and thumb, especially for strumming. The last exercise we're going to do is just a scale, the C major scale. It sounds like this. We're going to start by playing the 3rd string open. That's this one. And then the 2nd fret on the same string. I'm going to use my middle finger. And then we're going to go to the open 2nd string. And then the 1st fret on the 2nd string. And then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. And then the open 1st string. And then the 2nd fret 1st string. And then the 3rd fret 1st string. So 0, 2, 0, 1, 3, 0, 2, 3. And then in reverse, that would be 3, 2, 0, 3, 1, 0, 2, 0. Something to think about with technique is that we're in it for the long haul, so try not to force it and go too fast because you can develop bad habits. You're training your muscles and you want to stay relaxed through the whole process. Through my experience of learning the guitar first, I was really eager to play fast and I just wanted to play fast stuff like metal and rock music, and I developed some bad habits and I had to reverse those later. Now I was able to reverse them, but it was difficult and it took me maybe 6 months to reverse all of the bad habits that I had developed in my left hand especially. Let me know how this lesson goes for you guys, all right?